my fans on YouTube, I have an unannounced... Cut my music! I have an important announcement to make. I am sorry that I have to end my career here in UYW as general manager due to some outside problems. I am giving up my right of general manager by the end of Slay Day.
Yeah.
This will not be forever that you will see me again. Someone new, Jordan Mars, will now be your new general manager of UYW.
Yeah! Woo!
I would like to thank some superstars for allowing me, giving me this opportunity to be here. And they are Team Aggression and the World Heavyweight Champion, Drew. Would you please come out to the ring?
Yeah.
Thank you for letting me be a part of this and for being a great friend.
It's alright, dude. It's alright.
Give it up for Aaron Solomon!
I would like to thank... Now, I would like to bring out your new general manager of UYW, Jordan Mars! Go on.
Thank you. I'd like to thank you, Aaron, for giving me this opportunity as general manager. You're still able to wrestle under the UYW name. Now that I purchased this company, there will be a new age in UYW.
Play the theme! Play the theme music! Play it! Come on.